My name is Suman. I am studying in School of Electronics Engineering in VIT Velur. These are my details. In this video, I want to discuss about FPGA based reconfigurable computer systems published by International of Scientific Research and Development. FPGA means Field Programmable Gate Array. Coming to the first question, explain how the selected journal paper, these FPGA based reconfigurable computer systems, related to our COI syllabus curriculum. The paper covers design principles and creation methods of several reconfigurable computer systems based on FPGAs. These are given technical parameters and desired features of several computer systems based on Vertex 6 and Vertex 7 FPGAs. The use of an application development system software suite for reconfigurable computers is also viewed, and this tabulated shows the relation to the COA curriculum from module 1 to module 7, how this related. And second question, draw the existing architecture discussed in the paper using appropriate raster graphics editor software in encapsulated PostScripts EPS file format. These are the EPS file format of existing architecture. These are available in the journal paper which I attached in the last of the given PDF. The PDF which I was showing. Draw the tabulated results and graphs using Office Suite in encapsulated PostScripts EPS file format. These are the tabulated results, technical characteristics of printed circuit boards of computational modules. These are also available in the journal paper. Draw the proposed architecture discussed in the paper. This was the proposed architecture. Logic blocks implement the logic functions required by design and consist of various components such as transistor, pairs, lookup tables, flip-flops, and multiplexers. You can think of logic blocks as separate modules like Lego blocks, which can operate in parallel. The design flow illustrates the pipelines of implementing and programming and any given logic in the physical board. I choose to dub this design flow as FPGA development lifecycle or FDLC because of its analogy with SDLC. FPGA architectural design flows comprises design entry, logic synthesis, design implementation, device programming, and design verification. These are the block. This was the block diagram. This is transistor level internal diagram, EPS format diagram. This was also available in the journal paper. In this question, I compared the proposed architecture with the existing architecture. This was the diagrams for proposed and existing architecture, FPGA design flow. These are the advantages of proposed design over existing design. In this question, I listed out the merit and demerit of proposed and existing techniques hardware. Following are the benefits. FPGA can be programmed at logical level, hence it can be implemented faster and parallel processing of signals. This is difficult to be executed by the processor. In FPGA design, software takes care of routing, placements, and timing. This makes lesser manual intervention. The design flow eliminates complex and time-consuming plays on router, floor planning, and timing analysis. These are the following disadvantages. Once any particular FPGA is selected and used in the design, programmers need to make out the resources available on the FPGA IC. This will limit the design size and features. To avoid such situation, appropriate FPGA need to be chosen at the beginning itself. These are the application of the proposed design. These are the different applications. And last question, draw the flowchart or algorithm or transistor level circuit proposed in the design and transcripted. encapsulated PostScript file format, EPS chart. And I attached, this was the research paper which we are discussing, FPGA based reconfigured computer system. This all is also available in the Chrome. You can easily download it. And this FPGA based reconfigurable computer system, this paper, upside of the paper is, this paper covered designs, principles and creation methods of several reconfigurable computer system based on FPGA of the Vertex family, a method of structural procedural organization of computations in reconfigurable computer systems and its practical realization for the programming are considered. There are given technical parameters and design of features of several computer systems based on the Vertex on FPGAs. These are the highlighted keywords. We used all this information for completion of our DA. These are the references. Thank you.